Today my topic is my daily makeup routine. This is episode 28. Hey, gorgeous! Are you ready to enhance your natural beauty and slay the day? In today's video, I'm sharing my easy, everyday makeup routine that's perfect for a day off, a casual outing, or even just a grocery run. From priming to setting, I'll show you my favorite products and techniques to help you look and feel your best. Let's get started, lovelies. Step 1. Prepare my skin. First thing, I start by washing my face with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities or dirt. Then, I apply a lightweight moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated and supple. Finally, I prime my skin with a makeup primer to create a smooth canvas for my makeup. Step 2. Even out my complexion. Next, I apply a small amount of foundation or tinted moisturizer to my face, blending well to ensure a seamless finish. I also conceal any blemishes or dark circles under my eyes with a concealer that matches my skin tone. Step 3. Enhance my features. Now it's time to define my brows with a brow pencil or powder. I also add a swipe of mascara to my lashes to make my eyes pop. Step 4. Highlight and contour. Using a liquid highlighter, I apply a subtle glow to the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. Then, I use a bronzer or contour powder to define my jawline and facial structure. Step 5. Finish with lips and setting spray. To complete my look, I apply a lightweight lip balm or gloss to keep my lips hydrated and shiny. Finally, I set my makeup with a setting spray to ensure it lasts all day. And that's it. My daily makeup routine is quick, easy, and perfect for everyday wear. Let's learn. Word definition. Here are some difficult words along with their meanings. Cupid's bow, the curve of the upper lip, resembling Cupid's bow, a facial feature that makeup artists enhance to define lip shape. Jawline, the lower edge of the mandible, lower jawbone that forms the base of the face, defining its shape and structure. Gorgeous. Extremely beautiful or attractive. Casual, relaxed, informal, and effortless, without much thought or effort. If you found this video helpful in enhancing your speaking skills, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable content like this. Your support helps me create more resources to assist you on your journey to becoming a confident communicator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty content.